Following total atomic annihilation, the rebuilding of this great nation of ours may fall to you. That's why we at Vault-Tec have prepared these educational materials for you to better understand the 7 defining attributes that make you special. Our topic today is endurance.
He got his wish when the U.S. ended World War II by dropping atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The world awaited Armageddon. Instead, something miraculous happened. We began to use atomic energy not as a weapon, but as a nearly limitless source of power. People enjoyed luxuries once thought the realm of science fiction. Domestic robots, fusion-powered cars, portable computers. But then, in the 21st century, people awoke from the American dream. Years of consumption led to shortages of every major resource. The entire world unraveled. Peace became a distant memory. It is now the year 2077. We stand on the brink of total war. And I am afraid. For myself, for my wife, for my infant son. Because if my time in the Army taught me one thing, it's that war never changes. War never changes.
You're gonna knock him dead at the Veterans Hall tonight, hun.
You think?
Absolutely. Now get ready and stop hogging the mirror.
Right.
Morning, sir. Your coffee. 100...
Thanks, Cosworth.
Of course, sir.
Hun.
Well, look at you. How'd a girl like me ever get so lucky, huh? You know, I was nervous at first, but Cosworth's really good with Sean.
Enjoy your coffee, sir.
But then we're looking at a cold front coming down from Canada, making it crisp and dry for next week's Halloween festivities. Looking in on next week's forecast, we have a high of 52 on Monday.
Grognak the Barbarian in the Jungle of the Bat Babies. My favorite.
On the island of Mamba Jow, the nights are cold, unseasonably so for Southeast Asia.
I can't get over.
It's probably that salesman who comes for you
Good old USA. Never gonna find that dog.
I am referring, of course, to our great national pastime, baseball.
Come on, just answer the door and he'll go away.
Boston hopes to defeat Texas.
Hey, hon.
Can you get the door? Whenever I answer, he just asks for you over and over.
Turning to economic news today. Tech stock continues to rise as tensions.
Good morning. Vault-Tec calling.
Vault-Tec? Remind me again?
Why, we're about you, sir, and helping secure your future. You see, Vault-Tec is the foremost builder of state-of-the-art underground fallout shelters. Vaults, if you will. Luxury accommodations where you can wait out the horrors of nuclear devastation. You can't begin to know how happy I am to finally speak with you. I've been trying for days. It's a matter of utmost urgency, I assure you.
Then I'm glad you caught up with me.
Oh, me too. You have no idea. Now, I know you're a busy fellow, so I won't take up much of your time. Time being a precious commodity. I'm here today to tell you that because of your family service to our country, you have been pre-selected for entrance into the local vault. Vault 111.
Sounds great.
Oh, it is. Believe you me. Now, you're already cleared for entrance in the unforeseen event of total atomic annihilation. I just need to verify some information. That's all.
Tell me more about this vault.
Oh, it has all the amenities of the modern home, I assure you. Not to mention total protection from nuclear radiation and hostile mutants. A better future underground. It's not only our mission, it's our passion.
Now, I can't wait for the world to end.
Ha ha! That's the spirit. Now, let's see. Wonderful. That's everything. Just gonna walk this over to the vault. Congratulations on being prepared for the future.
Thanks again.
Hey, it's peace of mind. That's worth a little paperwork, right?
For you and Sean, no price is too high.
Good answer.
I have my moments. Hun?
Nervous? Don't be.
Sean has been changed, but he absolutely refuses to calm down. I think the paternal affection.
You heard Bobby. How are the two most important men in my life doing? Spin the mobile a bit. He loves that. Hey, how's my little guy? Much better now, huh? Listen, after breakfast, I was thinking we could head to the park for a bit. Weather should hold up.
Yeah, sounds like fun.
Sir, Mum, you should come and see this.
Codsworth, what's wrong?
Followed by
Yes, followed by flashes, blinding flashes. Sounds of explosions. We're trying to get contact.
Hey, Codsworth.
Sir,
What?
listen.
What did he say?
Stations.
Oh no.
We do have coming in. That's confirmed reports. I repeat, confirmed reports of nuclear detonations in New York and Pennsylvania.
Codsworth.
Oh my god.
We need to get to the vault. Now!
Residents of Sanctuary Hills, if you are registered, evacuate to Vault 111 immediately.
Okay.
Leave the bags! Who cares?
Residents of Sanctuary Hills, if you are
The
registered,
vault's this way!
evacuate.
Come on!
That's absurd! I am
Not on the
Vault
list.
Tech.
You don't get in.
I'm going in. You can't stop me!
We need to get in. We're on the list.
Infant, adult male, adult female. Okay, go ahead.
Thank you.
Good luck, ma'am.
You two, follow
God
me!
help us
Come
all.
on!
What's gonna happen to all those people
We're
outside the
doing
gate?
everything we can. Now keep moving! Step on the platform! In the center!
Almost there. We're gonna be okay. I love you. Both of you.
We love you too.
Oh my god!
Hold on!
Can't this thing move faster? Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
We did it. We made it. We're okay.
Everyone please step off the elevator and proceed up the stairs in an orderly fashion.
No
We
need
made
to
it.
worry, folks. We'll get everyone situated in your new home. Vault 111. A better future underground.
So we just...
Yes, up the stairs.
Hey.
Up the stairs.
No, don't get caught up thinking about that. You're safe now. Everyone, just head up these stairs and through the door there.
Tech is here for you. All new residents,
This way.
please proceed in an orderly fashion.
Male.
This way, please. Just this way. Step over the table.
Male.
Welcome. Pick up a seat right over there.
You'll need your suits before we can take you further.
Over there. Take a seat.
Excuse me.
That was a nuke. A goddamn nuke.
Thanks. What now?
Just follow the doctor here. He'll show you where to go.
All right, you three. Follow me.
Here you are.
Hey there.
Follow me.
This is our new home.
Oh, you're gonna love it. This is one of our most advanced facilities. Not that the others aren't great, mind you. It's gone. Our home. Everything we had.
My mother and father down in D.C. Oh god. What if they didn't make
How long do you think we'll be down
This
here?
is a difficult time.
Oh, we'll be
But-
going over all that in orientation. Just a few medical items we have to get through first.
everyone
The vault suit is designed to be fashionable as well as comfortable.
Prepared for the future, right?
Such a lovely family you have. I hope you'll see this as your new home.
Excuse
Just step in here and put your vault. Just step in the chair. The pod will decontaminate and depressurize you before we head deeper in the vault. Just relax.
Time for a whole new life.
Resident secure. Occupant vitals normal. Procedure complete. In 5, 4, 3, 2. cryogenic arrays. Vault residents must vacate immediately.
Come on! There has to be a release!
Failure in cryogenic array. Vault residents must vacate immediately.
Come on, come on, come on! Oh, God!
I'll find who did this, and I'll get Sean back. I promise.
Critical failure in cryogenic array. All vault residents must...
Useless.
Malfunction in emergency exit door override. Please contact your Vault-Tec maintenance representative for service. Critical failure in cryogenic.
Giant roaches? What the hell? What happened here? Where is everyone? Terminal only. Gotta find the terminal. Is this all that's left? Is anyone alive? Did anyone get out?
Pip-Boy interface required to activate vault door cycling sequence. Have a nice day. Malfunction in cryopod manual release override.
If I only had a bobby pin. Oh, God.
Vault door cycling sequence initiated. Please stand back. Enjoy your return to the surface, and thank you for choosing Vault Tech.
Oh, God.
as I live and breathe. Oh, it's really you.
Codsworth. What happened to the world?
The world, sir? Well, besides our geraniums still being the envy of Sanctuary Hills, I'm afraid things have been dreadfully dull around here. Things will be so much more exciting with you and Mrs. Beck. Where is your better half, by the by?
They came into the vault. Maybe you saw them, armed, wearing strange outfits.
Only Miss Rosa's boy running around in his Halloween costume, more than a week early. I swear, the nerve of that woman leaving her brat unsupervised. Ha ha, not like this family, sir. You and the missus have always been such a responsible couple. Where is she, by the by?
They killed her.
Sir, these things you're saying, these terrible things, I believe you need a distraction. Yes, a distraction to calm this dire mood. It's been ages since we've had a proper family activity. Checkers, or perhaps charades. Sean does so love that game. Is the lad with you?
Sean's been kidnapped. But I'm going to find him. I'm going to get my son back.
It's worse than I thought. You're suffering from hunger-induced paranoia. Not eating properly for 200 years will do that, I'm afraid.
200 years? What? Are you...
A bit over 210, actually, sir. Or give or take a little, for the Earth's rotation and some minor dings to the old chronometer. That means you're 2 centuries late for dinner. Perhaps I can whip you up a snack? You must be famished.
What? No. I need help, Codsworth, not food.
Sir, I've been thinking. If something is amiss, your loved ones may simply be hiding from the Red Menace.
The Red Menace?
Why, the communists, of course. The Russians and the Chinese.
Codsworth, buddy. I don't think the Reds are going to be a problem anymore.
I have an idea. Let's search the neighborhood together. After all, the Mrs. and young Sean, they're my family, too.
All right. Lead the way.
Proud to serve, sir. This should be fun. Nothing like a little dust up to get the oil flowing, eh?
Codsworth.
Don't worry. My search protocols are on full alert. Nothing here but a few flies. Wait. My senses are picking up movement in another house.